should probably finish this bagel instead of gesturing at all of my clothes while holding cream cheese, because now that I think about it, I could have gotten cream cheese all over my wardrobe and that would have been really bad. Putting your hair in a scrunchie, we're doing it. Is this the riveting content that you guys are here for? Hi friends, and welcome to something slightly different, and also to the other side of my room, because I normally sit about where you guys are sitting right now. So here's the deal. I start a new job tomorrow, although by the time this hook goes up, hopefully I've already started the new job and things are going great. But your girl needs to reorganize her wardrobe to figure out what she has that is actually business casual or not. Because right now, all of my stuff is organized by like type of clothing. So like all tops, all bottoms, all dresses. And that's like good in theory, but it doesn't work when I have to dress for a specific genre of event. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull everything out of my closet and sort it onto my bed into different categories. We're gonna go from super formal to business to like fancy casual to casual and loungewear, and we're gonna rehang it all up. And we're also going to do that thing where you hang up the hangers, but like you do it backwards, like this. Wow. Ta-da! I demonstrated so well. But we're gonna do that to also show how much of my closet I'm actually wearing, because I'm pretty sure I'm not wearing that much of it at all. Actually, I'm pretty sure I wear the same sweaters 5 times in a row. We're also going to put away winter clothes and things that are just like way too heavy for summer, because it's officially been over 70 degrees for like 2 or 3 weeks or 4 weeks now, and I have to stop pretending that I can still wear my sweaters outside, because I can't. And the only way to do that is to hide them, because I will keep wearing them. I also have a whole bunch of clean laundry there because I just got back from Europe and I finally did my unpacking and laundry. So as this happens, I will be picking those up, putting them on hangers, and also sorting them into categories and stuff, blah, 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 blah. Eventually at some point I want to get all of my clothes onto hangers, or at least all of like my clothes that I wear outside into hangers. So not including things like workout clothes and at-home loungewear and PJs. Those can stay in the drawers, but I realized that like I have all of my sweaters in these bottom drawers here, and I have all of my pants, or a lot of my pants in those top drawers there, but because they're all in the drawers, I basically wear the same 2 pairs of jeans on a rotation. And while that's fine in theory, in application, I should actually, you know, wear more different clothes. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm gonna start recording this on time lapse, and I'm just gonna get going. I hope my phone doesn't die, because that's what I'm recording on, knowing my phone will die. It's fine. You know what? We're putting our hair in a scrunchie. We're doing it. Is this the riveting content that you guys are here for? Me putting my hair up in a scrunchie? Are you like so entertained? Amazing. It's tomorrow, and here is what we have so far. So I did finish this all last night, but I thought I'd wait until some beautiful morning light to film it, so it's all crispy and nice. But so, all right, so here is the current divide. Here is our like very formal stuff. So in that deep corner, you can see like the strawberry dress, and behind that is my Starry Night silky dress, and here is my breakfast. And here we have my 2 like very fancy shirts that can also be for formal stuff. And then here we have my silky bloom dress, which is, you know, like shorter. So in my mind, less formal, and I can wear it for everyday stuff. But if I put it like with the everyday stuff, it's like way too poofy. So I put it over there because it is technically also formal. And then this section here is the dresses that are like definitely suited for work. I have like 2 sweater dresses out right now because they have 3/4 sleeves, so they still work. And then I have 1 like velvety dress that is, so this guy, so even though it's technically like kind of warmer, it can work for the weather because it's like silky and stuff. Then I have my blazers, as they are right now. And I have my lighter cardigans, and then my business shirts. And after this is my pants that are technically not business pants but can still work. And like, I have a bunch of fashion pants, and my mother insists that they are not business worthy, but mother, they're literally fashion pants. Like, she just doesn't like fashion. That's what I've decided. Then I have a couple more dresses that can work for like a more casual business environment. So like, for example, this guy is a little like, it's a very pretty dress, but it's like one of those, like, it's been washed a couple times, so it doesn't look crisp, fresh, clean. And then we have one that's like very fashion, because it's a two-piece set with a crop. And then we have these two, which are technically good for business, but they're a little bit short, so it can be good in the right environment. And then we have this one, which is, so this one right here, which is good, but it's got like a back cutout. So again, good, but technically in the right environment. And then we have like a really loose, like this like floaty dress here, which is really, really nice, but again, might be too casual unless it's the correct environment. And then here we come to my, what are technically casual pants, but I have some nice jeans that can be used for business. So I have a pair of white jeans and a pair of pink jeans. And then I have my linen pants, which again, depending on the environment, can be used. And then also this matching set. Why is that in there? That should be on the other side. I will fix that later. And then here are my skirts that can work for business. I should also clarify, this is the section that I made of pants that do work for business. But again, my mom doesn't agree, and she's wrong. She's wrong. These work. They're fashion, sweaty. And then here we have my shirts that are also like on the border, like they can work depending on the environment, because we got a lot of like linen button downs. And then this guy is like floaty and nice, but like can occasionally be either a bit too fashion or a bit low neck. And then we've got these two, which are again nice, but a little bit like worn in, so they're less like beautiful crisp. And then this is the official divide. This is the, if it's a business casual situation, you absolutely are not permitted cross. This is the perhaps cross if the situation permits it. This is the do not cross, do not. And then here we've got all my casual shirts, or my shirts that my mother deemed were too weird. Like this one. This is like a really nice like turtleneck from Laird Gumatoshi. It's just like, that's too weird for business. And I'm like, you know what, whatever, Mom. I mean, she might be right. Some people don't like fashion, I guess. Boring. And then here we have matching sets and rompers and then dresses. So the other thing that we have here is, this is the pile of stuff that was on hangers that I am going to put into like storage for winter. So we've got a bunch of thick cardigans, we've got my sweaters, and we've also got a bunch of sweater dresses that are going in here. Sadly, I also need to put my favorite Laird Gumatoshi sweater into this pile, because we know that I will wear that even if the weather does not permit. And unfortunately, 70s means that the weather does not permit. I should probably finish this bagel instead of gesturing at all of my clothes while holding cream cheese, because now that I think about it, I could have gotten cream cheese all over my wardrobe, and that would have been really bad. Brains are hard. I also did something really exciting yesterday, and I placed my first ever order on ThredUp. And also, this is my first ever time thrifting. I've always been super intimidated by in-person thrifting because in-person hard, and then I have to try the clothes on, and I just, it drives me, it's just decision fatigue and all that. And here I can just like browse for months until I find something that I like, and then I can buy it, which is exciting. Hashtag not sponsored, but like ThredUp, call me, right? I wouldn't be mad. But yeah, so I bought a bunch of blazers and a couple of longer skirts, and then a couple of pants as well. I was supposed to buy only pants, but then I got distracted by only blazers. It's fine. The point is that I did buy 2 more official pants for work that my mother cannot say are not work appropriate, because they say dress pants. Ta-da! But yeah, ThredUp currently has like a 44% off everything sale going on until June 18th. So I was like, hey, what's no time like now when I actually need stuff? So hopefully hopefully these are good. I'm excited. I'm very, very excited. In a stupid twist, I felt guilty for not buying more pants, so I bought more pants. And also a shirt. But mostly more pants. See, it actually is mostly, because it's 2 out of 3, right? This is how math works. I'm so good at math. So one final thing that I did is I also got a clean out bag from ThredUp because, you know, since I'm thrifting all these new items and since I reorganized my closet, I am assuming that at some point soon I'm going to realize that there are items that I'm not wearing or that I'm not getting use out of, and thus want to donate them. And, you know, ThredUp will, you know, potentially take and sell some of my items, or also just donate them appropriately if they're not good enough to be sold on ThredUp. So I think that's a good option. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I encourage everybody to do this, or like just the closet reorganization part at least, because it only took me an hour, and that is including the time that it took me to fold all of the winter clothes that I want to put away, and also put away like that giant load of laundry that I had as well. So it's a really fast process, and it's honestly, I think there's a lot of benefit to just reorganizing your wardrobe to give yourself like a new eye of like the things you actually had, because I had forgotten so many of the like business casual shirts that I had because I just don't wear them on a daily basis, you know. And so it was nice, and I encourage you to try. Don't mind my hair. I don't know what she's doing. She is trying a new sport is the only thing I can say. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. This was definitely something new. If you guys would like to see like a try on ThredUp haul, let me know. I will happily do that. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe because I'm supposed to say that.